Warp AI versus Cursor. Warp AI is a modern terminal built for developers, enhanced with AI features. Instead of just running commands, Warp AI helps explain errors, generate commands, and boost productivity directly inside the terminal. So its process, it has AI command search, which makes it easy to find and run unfamiliar commands. It can also explain terminal errors in plain English. It also has collaboration features, which is the team command sharing, and it is lightweight and fast compared to traditional terminals. Its cons is though, it is limited to terminal-based workflows. It is still maturing and still new, and some advanced AI features are behind a waitlist or premium. And it's not ideal for beginners who rely heavily on GUI-based coding. Now, Cursor, on the other hand, is an AI-powered IDE built on top of Visual Studio Code, designed to help write, refactor, and debug code with deep AI integration. Its process, it has built-in AI pair programmer with context awareness of your entire codebase. It can also suggest, autocomplete, and refactor entire block of codes. It also has debugging assistance with natural language explanations, and is familiar with the VS Code-like interface for easy adoption. The downside is though, it is heavier on system resources, and it requires internet connectivity for most AI features. So if your workflow is terminal heavy and you want an AI assistant to streamline command, then choose Warp AI. But if for serious developers looking for a full AI coding assistant, then Cursor takes the crown.